Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Rigger installing. Fire equipment installing.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más?
Don't look at me. I could use a break without either one of you.
Hey, Ramon can fix you up with...
That last magical birthday wish I made was a good one. Will my next magical birthday wish...
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I made that stolen fella a Texas-sized offer.
So, ready.
Licht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten.
The nerve.
So quick, do you know where the Silver River is?
What? No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my...
Costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Betty, what's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dynaco. Kachika, say it with me. Kachika.
Oh, yeah! Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection!
¿Estamos en?
Las rutas de los...
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
Take my way, that's the highway, that's
Hey, Hamilton!
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour.
Brought good excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural, sustainable, organic bio.
Bonita música.
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke.
About thunder.
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow! That was the deal. You are not a nice guy. Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make a quote.
Dead, he emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural element.
Rough the tails down here! I created a drink in your honor!
Yeah, the Rusteze medicated bunker.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Right, you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
What just happened?
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got...
Oh, Lightning, come on.
Look, I can do this. I can. I